I was alive, it's now 25.
Yeah, sempre vede bansude. Was a man right?
And a ball like beef.
Was a man in the mic.
Was a man on the mic. Was a man is about to start. They're right. Was a man is about to fight on the mic. I'm about to roll this beat like it dice. My flames on the beat can make you alive. My words can make you to seize in those ingoma ikaqali, but I'm already on fire. I don't know, but music is always on my mind. Ukula amabase 25 ngilanga mine. Everybody hate me, I don't give a fuck. Kulaba banzondaya gekho sankayene vibe. Ngiphilele life yami, I'm fine. Yeah, boza menza. Hayi wena ubani usanzu ukuhlaba ngempama. Ngiyabona boy ngathi amasenda sihlaza. Phela mina ngisuba bakho lona umgibeli ekhaya. Sondela nawe Jeff Long ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. Sondela nawe Brav Long ngifuna ukudila nawe. Ngiyaposta ngithi ngizokhipha i-tribute album. Wena uyashare uthi thina siphashiswa i-Valentine. Ubuyazi sister lakho ngibuzo kwe-Valentines yami. Phela kwasanetime lakhe ikhekha lakho. Ungibheke kahle Brian mina nawe asifani. Utidwa ngumama wakho lona ekhekhe lisande. Time lakho malingena la lezwale lidice. Ungangithuli akakhululeke ekuhambeni kwesikhathi uzongibamba. Jeff Low asikaqedi buya ngapha babe. Phela ungakhohlwa necala eliwayo, but ngizolithatha eza amacala amabhaka. Ngoba kwakumnandi wena uhlekisa ngami. Mina Brian uyangicaba uzibiza ngo-Jeff Low, but engomeni awuna flow. Kimi awuhlukile nomdlwane, that's why I call you head go with the pole. I'm the rap god, mina ngizokudilizela amabuzz a-gold. My name is Joking, yadlala bafethu, I'm joking. Mangikhuluma ngezulu bezwa bethi I'm talking. Kahle kahle bathi mina on the song I'm moshing. Wayisho labelungu bathi Boza man is flowing. I'm boiling, I'm dropping high.
Ehlisa Boza man ayingodlala.
Okay.
Hayi King abayeka. Hayi sesizwa kuwo u50 bars usikhamba kanjani. Enema uzazi Brav Long ukuthi oyiki ungaze spoil.